Every great company has a story. Ours began in a small garage with a craftsman named Leon Osborne and a vision that was shaped by faith, quality, and care. Over 45 years later, that story continues to unfold, and today we're in the midst of a new chapter.
A chapter with new voices, new ideas, and new opportunities.
But while the chapter may be new, the story is the same.
We are still committed to a partnership for success, still delivering superior service, still investing in world-class innovation, still guided by forward thinking and a culture of caring.
Because what matters most doesn't change. Sure, this is a different chapter, but it's the same story, written by the same hands, guided by the same values, and the work still speaks for itself.